Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the data type of JavaScript. So what is basically data type? So data type is you can assign a different type of value to a variable such as a number or a string. Or in JavaScript there are two type of categories of data type basically. But if you are going to take in the fundamental in data type, so this is basically data type, these two types, there is primitive and the reference. For the primitive also have that there is a total of these four types of. So the total is the five types of around to this primitive data type, and it is the number, and this is basically a number like 1 to 3. And the second one, that is a string, is basically text like whatever you write. This will be a text. And the boolean, this is true false when you are providing some logical situation, that is which is true or false like condition there. So this will be the boolean. And the undefined is basically there is no data value and it will be completely undefined. So this is totally undefined, there is no value and no nothing to wait that's to the identify about this. And then next one is null basically null, that which is empty. And then we are going to explain that the reference data type is basically three type, and one is object. This is basically object when we are going to targeting some person, they have some object like his name and his age and his education and his eye colors and everything. This is basically object. And the array is basically the function which is can play the multiple of tasks in the one way. And the function is also a function which can make a properly workable is something like you are going to targeting something. So this function will be applicable to make some the header function, and that will be applied for the all of this work, and we can continue this one function that run this all of this work. So this is basically the data type of this, which is that I have explained about it. So from tomorrow we will be explain and everything, that will be try to that explain and everything again, and we will be trying to the primitive data type. For this one, the first one is primitive data type. Will do the practical and explain about it. I will do this practical. This is all about it. So this is for today.